Hello friends, welcome to Kunga Academy YouTube channel. Today I will tell you about the recruitment rally of Sikandrabad ARO. Sikandrabad ARO is situated in Telangana. The next recruitment will be held from 5th March to 24th March 2021. The place of rally is Telangana Sports School, Hakimpet. There will be a recruitment for all the trades of soldier GD, soldier technical, soldier clerk, soldier nursing assistant and soldier tradesman. The date for filing of the recruitment forms is from 9th January to 22nd Feb. If anyone who wants to apply for this recruitment rally, he has to fill online application form at joinindianarmy.nic.in. I'll show you the official notification. You can see here Army Recruitment Rally ARO Sikandrabad 5th March to 24th March at Telangana Sports School, Hakimpet, Telangana. So this will be for all 33 districts of Telangana states. Here you can see the name of all the states. You can pause the video and note down. So the online application will start from 19 January 2021 to last date is 17 Feb. So please correct here, it's 19 January, not 9th January. The recruitment application will start from 19 January to 17th Feb 2021. And you can download your admit card after 18th Feb from this website. This is the website you can see here, joinindianarmy.nic.in. Now I will tell you the all trades which will be recruited. The first trade is soldier technical and soldier technical aviation. Your age must be 17 and a half to 23. This is the age bracket. It means your birth should be between these two dates, 1st October 1997 to 1st April 2003. The minimum height requirement is 165 and the candidate must have 10+2 pass with PCM subject, physics, chemistry and mathematics with English, and he should have overall 50% of marks. Next is soldier technical nursing assistant. The age is same as soldier technical, but you should have PCB subject in your 12th class, physics, chemistry, biology with English and 50% marks. For GD, the height is 166 centimeter, age is 17 and a half to 21, only class 10th pass, metric pass with 45% marks candidate can apply. Here is tradesman also, 8th pass and 10th pass, minimum 33% marks can apply in tradesman. So next is soldier clerk or SKT, storekeeper technician. Age is 17 and a half to 23. Minimum height is 162 centimeter. 10+2 with 60% marks. And he should have English plus math or accountancy or bookkeeping in class 12th. So this is the minimum education qualification for all the trades. Now this is height and weight chart. You can see here, or you can see in the official notification as well. Now I'll tell you the benefit of sports. There is sport benefit for sports candidate, NCC candidates and relation certificate in their respective categories. This is the whole process. Now we will discuss the procedure. The first procedure is physical fitness test. there will be 1.6 kilometer run which you have to complete in 5.5 minutes, and you will be given 60 marks for that. These marks will be for GD and tradesmen only. For other categories, this will only be qualifying, no marks will be rewarded. The second group will be 5 minutes 31 seconds to 5 minutes 45 seconds, and for this you will be given 48 marks. After running, there will be beam or pull-ups. For 10 pull-ups you will be given 40 marks, 933 you can see all here. Less than 6 will be fail. So your total PFT will be 100 marks, and this will be for only 2 trades, GD and tradesman. For other, you have to qualify in all these physical activities. After physical, there will be your physical measurement test followed by medical test. Those who are found medically fit will be called for common entrance examination. For this, your CE, you can join our Khunga Academy, or you can download our online app which is also named as Khunga Academy from Google Play Store, and you can prepare for your written examination here. So this is the video of coming recruitment rally of ARO Sikandrabad. Thank you. Jai Hind.